That's cool. Is it a real tornado?
No.
Oh.
That thing's loud, isn't it?
Why does it just make that sound? Why does it just do this? I thought it didn't. You're right, it does spin at the top for real. It's cool. I can hear it. Why can I hear it? I think I can hear it all the way in from here because it's way super loud.
It is way super loud, isn't it?
Yeah. Dad, will it go off again sometime?
Next time they test it, or if there's a real tornado.
Dad, put up the windows, please.
Why?
Because I want you to.
Let's go buy a different siren and see if it's facing a different way too.
Okay.
How about the one by my workplace?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, let's go buy, and then maybe buy the one by the water park. We have seen 38, 35, 35,